The sensor is located on the left side of the engine, red arrow. You will need to remove the engine cooling or purge fans along with the rear wing to access it. If this is the first time you are doing this, you may want to move other components as well, depending on how small and strong your hands are. We have removed some things for photographic purposes only. We removed the purge valve and lines. Again, if this is your first time doing this, I strongly recommend removing these components. If you choose to do so, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. The sensor is located between the number 1 and 2 intake runners. It sits in a friction-fit grommet on a bracket on the runners. Begin by disconnecting the wiring connection, red arrow. You can now wiggle and pull the grommet and sensor up and out from the bracket. This image shows the sensor and the grommet out of the engine. Put a little lubricant in the grooves in the grommet before reinstalling, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.